don't always know what life has in store for you. But Stephanie and Mark knew they had something worth protecting, so they chose the award-winning Arlo home security system. Arlo's all-in-one sensors can be placed anywhere for ultimate flexibility. They have not just one, but 8 different detection functions to keep you and your home safe. The multifunctional keypad hub is your home base with one-tap direct dispatch in case of emergencies. No matter where you are, receive an alert if something unexpected happens at home. You can feel safe with Arlo's 24/7 professional monitoring. Live security experts are always ready to help. No matter what life brings, Arlo is there to protect you every step of the way. Protect your everything with the Arlo home security system.
The ADT yard sign stands watch over your home and family. 24/7 protection from America's most trusted home security provider. And a custom-built system with video doorbells, indoor and outdoor cameras, locks and lights, carbon monoxide detection, and fire and smoke alarms. And now, get 1 indoor camera and 1 outdoor camera installed free, plus $100 off installation. Call 1-800-ADT-ASAP today or visit adt.com/deal. ADT, real protection.
We combined science and art to create a truly secure world. Our technologies could conquer space, but we left them to guard the house. Ajax, the security system of the era where computers are already smarter than people, but we still have full power over them. The Easy Starter Kit can be professionally installed within 15 minutes, and friendly mobile phone interface will make you forget all the unfortunate experiences with other interfaces for good. Ajax's powerful components and software solutions are placed in the finely crafted body. Ajax detectors decorate the house while making it inaccessible to any invasion. The brain of the system, the hub, ensures seamless communication of the detectors with the outside world. A powerful network controls all devices on the several floors of your home. Data is encrypted. The radio channel is protected from jamming. Any invasion, attempted burglary, blackout, or failure of communication will immediately raise the alarm. But Ajax would not pay attention to the dog or thunderstorm. You can receive system notifications on your phone or entrust a security firm with monitoring your system in a single click. The system works up to 7 years without changing the batteries. And all this time, you can comfortably work, sleep, or leave for a long time. Ajax, when security is art.
I'm Gus Lopez. I'm the chef and owner from Mandy's Cafe. Mandy's Cafe is owned by the family. My wife, she goes and takes the order from the customers, brings the ticket, and takes the food to them. And I work in the kitchen. Everything is homemade here. I've been in the restaurant business my whole life. Mandy's is everything for me. My livelihood depends on it. One time we got robbed. People came with guns and asked for the money at the register, which was scary. When the robbery happened, we didn't have security, we didn't have no cameras, we didn't have anything. I want to make sure that it won't happen again. That's why I chose Ring. At Mandy's Cafe, we have the Ring alarm system. We didn't pay anything to install because it's easy to install. I get the professional monitoring and 60 days of cloud storage. We have 2 indoor cameras. We have record of everything on my phone. With Ring, I only pay $10 a month. I didn't sign any long-term contract. You pay more with other companies. Having the Ring system helps my business, the customers, and the family. I feel safe with Ring.
At Ring, we invent stuff, like the Ring Video Doorbell, Ring Alarm, and so much more. But where do we go from here? Introducing Ring Always Home Cam. Yeah, it's a camera that flies.
What?
We thought, what if we made a camera that can see every angle in your home without having a camera in every room? And make it smart enough so that you can teach it where to go.
Like this?
Yep, just like that.
Cool.
So, with the push of a button, it wakes up and goes here, there, or wherever you choose.
You forgot the orange slices, didn't you?
No way. Frankly, I blame the oranges. Hey!
And the Always Home Cam works seamlessly with Ring Alarm.
Yeah, that's not good.
Actually, it's great, because you can watch live from anywhere.
Well, good for you guys.
And when you're home, Always Home Cam is docked and the camera is hidden, designed with your privacy in mind. Introducing Always Home Cam, only from Ring. Meet Ring Alarm Pro, a first-of-its-kind security system that helps protect your home and your network. With a secure Eero Wi-Fi 6 router built into one of the easiest alarm systems on the planet, it's the future of home security.
The future? I try not to think about that.
Clearly. Ring Alarm Pro is the first device ever to combine the peace of mind of home security and a Wi-Fi 6 router with awesome network security for a consistently strong signal across your home. So whether it's intruders, fires, floods, digital threats,
Or how about just some better Wi-Fi around here?
yeah, that too. Ring Alarm Pro makes it simple. When was the last time you upgraded your Wi-Fi?
A few years ago?
Ring Alarm Pro's Wi-Fi 6 network supports fast speeds to more devices across your home. So all of your devices connect better than ever. And you can browse, stream, and video chat like never before, all on an Eero Wi-Fi 6 network designed to protect you from digital threats and protect your privacy.
Okay, but what happens when the internet goes down?
No internet? No problem. With a Ring Protect Pro subscription, you'll have LTE backup to keep you and your Ring devices online and ready to protect. Add a Ring Power Pack and you're covered even when the power goes out. The Ring Protect Pro subscription adds another layer of protection, all backed by
24/7.
Yeah,
And award-winning.
professional monitoring. You're fast.
It's why we're here.
It's easy to install and connects to all of your Ring devices, like Ring cameras and Ring doorbells. Even Alexa.
Alexa, arm ring away.
Ring is armed in away mode.
Ring Alarm Pro, the home protecting, Wi-Fi blanketing, digital threat fighting, peace of mind giving, always on, always ready, future of home protection.
What if your intercom station can do a lot more than just opening the door? Meet Hikvision's new all-in-one indoor station. A tablet device that can converge and control security systems. With simple slides and taps, it helps monitor and manage intercom, alarm, access control, and video security systems. You can easily arm your home's alarm system on your way out and disarm it when you return. Check the status of devices and spot problems quickly. With simple touches, you can speak to your maintenance man at the gate and open the door for him.
I'm the repairman here today.
The door is open.
And check the situation in your backyard at night.
The door is open.
So you won't miss any surprise visits. With dashboards for all-in-one management, easy operations on touchscreen, and flexible access to third-party apps, Hikvision's all-in-one indoor station brings convenience and security in one place. Hikvision all-in-one indoor station. Converge and control security with a simple touch.